To use the new Bryn Athyn Cemetery website, navigate to brynAthyncemetery.org/dev=true. I'm sorry you have to type all that extra stuff at the end of the website address, but if you don't, you'll just see a blank cemetery map like this one before it has populated with all the headstones as it is doing right now. Just a warning, if you use a Mac computer with a magic mouse, you might be frustrated at how this behaves, at least right now. At the top of this web page, you'll see a search bar. Click in that and start typing the name of the person for whom you are looking. Click on that. Once you see the death date and the date of birth, you can close that. And then if you look carefully, you will see Lester Osbourne's gravestone in red. To get there, you could walk down this road and then turn left and travel in, or else you could turn down the tracks trail until you get to the row in which Lester's gravestone sits, and you could follow that down. Now, I'm going to zoom in just a little bit, and we can see that he is on this row, and Dorothy Smith anchors that row. And right near Dorothy is another one, just to be sure, that's Aldwin Smith. So to get to Lester's gravestone, walk down the trail till you see Dorothy Smith's gravestone, and then follow it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 gravestones till you find Lester's. Now there's another way to get to the gravestone. Start at the bottom of the parking lot, go down the circle road, and then you will see that his gravestone is right across from Celia Bellinger's. So when you get to the cemetery, walk down the road, look for Celia Bellinger's gravestone, and travel in 4 rows, and you will find Lester Osbourne's gravestone. Now, to find someone else, you must go up into the search bar and refresh. Now watch it populate with all the headstones. This time, we're going to look for someone named Louis Pendleton. So you type in his name, and there he is, Louis Beauregard Pendleton. There's his dates, and so you can close that. Oh, there he is, just peeking out through the green. So we're going to have to zoom in somewhat. So there's Louis Pendleton. Now you could get there 2 ways. Go over the cross circle road till you get to the row in which Louis Pendleton's gravestone lies. Or else you can go down the circle road and head in that way. So let's take a look. Louis Pendleton's gravestone is in this row, and it's anchored by Philip Marshall Smith. So you travel down that road, find Philip Smith, and you start counting in until you get to Louis Pendleton's gravestone. Or else you can go down the circle road until you see, oh, this gravestone, and that is the gravestone of Elizabeth Bellinger. So having done this homework ahead of time, you can then walk down that circle road, find her gravestone, and travel in 4 rows, and you will find, again, the gravestone of Louis Pendleton. You can actually access and use this website on your smartphone while at the cemetery. It does work, but I find it easier to do my homework ahead of time on my desktop computer. Please remember to correctly type the website address. Please also remember that this is a very early version of this website. It is buggy, there will be problems, but stay tuned, we will work out the bugs.